Hi, I'm Emma. Today's English is slow and easy. Just relax and listen along. Have you ever stood in a big, busy airport, boarding pass in hand, and felt a little flutter of nerves about what to say next? Today Hannah is flying with Delta Airlines, one of America's most trusted major airlines, checking in at JFK Airport's Terminal 4. Delta's very own home terminal in New York City, famous for its long check-in halls, glowing departure boards, and gates that connect New York to cities all across the country. And here's the magic part. Today Hannah uses one gentle phrase to get help with almost anything. Would it be possible to? You can use this exact phrase at Delta Airlines, at any airport counter, or really anywhere in America. So settle in, relax your shoulders, and let's check in with Hannah. Alright. Today Hannah has 3 gentle missions. 1. Check in at the Delta Airlines counter and ask to check her bag through to her final destination. 2. Handle a small mix-up with her name and an overweight bag at the bag drop counter. Calmly and kindly. 3. Confirm her seat and boarding time at the gate before she flies when you're standing in a busy terminal with a long line behind you. One soft, polite phrase can carry you through every single step, from check-in all the way to the gate. By the end of this video, you'll be able to ask for what you need, spell your name clearly, solve a small problem, and check your boarding details, all in simple, natural English. Ready? Let's head to the Delta counter. Here are today's 5 Delta Airlines key phrases. Repeat each one after me. Nice and slow. Key phrase 1. Would it be possible to check this bag through to my final destination? Would it be possible to check this bag through to my final destination? This is today's magic phrase. Would it be possible to? Is one of the most polite ways to make a request in English. It's soft, indirect, and gives the other person an easy way to say yes. It's perfect anytime you're asking for something a little bigger, like sending your bag all the way to your last stop. Key phrase 2. Could you spell that for me, please? Could you spell that for me, please? A simple, friendly way to double-check a name or detail when something isn't quite matching up. It sounds curious, never impatient. Key phrase 3. Is it okay if I move a few things to my carry-on? Is it okay if I move a few things to my carry-on? A gentle way to ask permission when you need to fix a small problem on the spot, like an overweight bag. Key phrase 4. I was wondering if I could get a window seat. I was wondering if I could get a window seat. A relaxed, low-pressure way to ask for something you'd like, without sounding demanding. Key phrase 5. Could I ask what time boarding starts? Could I ask what time boarding starts? A friendly, simple way to check important details before you fly. Great job! Now let's watch Hannah use them at JFK. Hannah wheels her suitcase up to a Delta Airlines check-in counter inside JFK Airport's busy Terminal 4, departure boards glowing overhead. Behind the counter is Derek, a Delta agent in his 40s, quick with his hands and always moving, but keeping a warm, easy smile the whole time, wearing a navy Delta uniform vest with a name badge.
Hi. Good morning. I'm flying to Los Angeles today.
Good morning. Let's see. Los Angeles, nonstop, gates in Terminal 4. Passport, please, thank you. Perfect. Checking a bag today?
Yes, just the one. Would it be possible to check this bag through to my final destination?
Absolutely. I'll send it straight through to LAX, so you won't touch it again until baggage claim. Nice and light, good.
Great, thank you. And is it okay if I upgrade my seat here?
Sure thing, 1 second. There's an exit row open. That'll be $40.
Perfect, let's do that.
All set. Boarding pass, exit row, bags checked through to LA on Delta. Security's straight ahead. Then follow the signs to your gate in Terminal 4.
Thank you so much, Derek. That was fast.
That's the job. Safe travels with Delta.
Beautifully done, Hannah. She opened with our magic phrase, "Would it be possible to check this bag through to my final destination?" Notice how soft and indirect it sounds. The word "would" makes it feel like a gentle question, not a demand, and it gives Derek an easy, natural way to say yes. This phrase works especially well when you're asking a stranger to take care of something important for you, like your luggage. She also checked politely with, "Is it okay if I upgrade my seat here?" Clear, kind, and easy to answer. Nice and easy. At a second Delta counter nearby, Hannah rolls up a garment bag she'd almost forgotten. Behind the scale is Frank. A veteran Delta agent in his 60s, calm and quick with a joke, silver hair under his Delta cap, sleeves rolled up after decades on the job.
Hi again. Would it be possible to add one more bag here? My name's Hannah Kessler. Kessler.
Kessler, I've got a Kessner pulled up here. That you?
Close. Could you spell that for me, please? Oh. It's just one letter off. It's Kessler, an L, not an N.
Ha! One little letter can send a bag clear across the country. There we go. Kessler, found you. Now let's see what we've got. 53 pounds. Limit's 50. Looks like you packed a little too much vacation.
Oh no. Is it okay if I move a few things to my carry-on?
Smart move. Pull out a couple sweaters, you'll be under in no time. 40 years at Delta, I've seen it all. One fella even had a bowling ball in his suitcase.
There. How's that?
48 pounds. Perfect. You're golden. Flying Delta straight through to LA, no extra fee.
Phew. Thank you, Frank, you made that so easy.
That's what 40 years at Delta will teach you. Have a good flight.
Look how calmly Hannah handled two little problems at once. First, her name got misheard. Kessler turned into Kessner. Instead of getting frustrated, she simply asked, "Could you spell that for me, please?" A light, curious question that fixed the mix-up in seconds. Then, when her bag was overweight, she didn't panic either. She asked, "Is it okay if I move a few things to my carry-on?" Notice how even a small problem sounds friendly with this kind of phrase. It turns "I have a problem" into "let's fix this together." That's the real secret to staying calm in any tricky moment. Hannah arrives at her gate in Terminal 4, where the departure board glows overhead. Behind the podium is Owen. A quiet, steady Delta gate agent in his 30s who says little but works with calm, sure precision, wearing a navy Delta vest.
Hi. I was wondering if I could get a window seat?
Let me check. 12A's open. Window.
Oh, perfect, thank you.
Here you go.
Thank you. Could I ask what time boarding starts?
9:40, your group's on the pass.
Great, I've got a little time, then. Is it okay if I grab a coffee before boarding?
Plenty of time. Gate's not going anywhere.
Thank you, Owen. You've been so helpful.
That's the job. Enjoy your flight.
Thank you so much.
Wonderful. Hannah checked in, asked for her bag to be checked through, calmly fixed a spelling mix-up and an overweight bag, and confirmed her window seat and boarding time. All with calm, polite English. At the gate she used, "I was wondering if I could get a window seat. And could I ask what time boarding starts?" Two relaxed, low-pressure phrases that work at any counter or podium. But the biggest phrase of the day was still our magic one: would it be possible to? A soft, polite request plus a helpful Delta agent equals a smooth, calm trip through JFK, or any airport in America. Okay. Now it is quiz time. Quiz time. Today Hannah wanted her bag checked all the way through to Los Angeles, so she made a soft, polite request at the Delta counter. Which sentence is the most polite way to ask this? A. Check this bag to LA. B. Can you check this bag to LA? C. Would it be possible to check this bag through to my final destination? Try writing your answer. A, B, or C, or the whole phrase in the comments below. Writing it down helps your brain remember it 100 times better than reading. I read every single comment and I will reply to let you know if you got it right. Amazing work today, everyone. Now you have 5 gentle phrases that will help you feel calm and confident at any airport in America. Would it be possible to check this bag through to my final destination? Could you spell that for me, please? Is it okay if I move a few things to my carry-on? I was wondering if I could get a window seat. Could I ask what time boarding starts? With these 5 phrases, even a huge terminal like Delta's at JFK starts to feel simple and calm. If this video helped you, please hit that like button and subscribe to Easy English with Emma. It truly makes my day. Next time, Hannah trades her boarding pass for a pair of rental shoes. She's heading to Bolero, America's biggest bowling company, to practice all the English you need for lane rentals and game night. See you next time. Bye-bye.